Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Math is fun, where you will learn mathematics easily. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Today, I will teach you how to add integers with different signs. When we say different signs, they refer to the negative and positive integers. Please take note that integers only have two signs, which are again the positive and the negative signs. To add integers with different signs, you must do these two steps. First, subtract their absolute values. Second, copy the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute value. Let's now have these examples. For our first example, let us add 40 plus negative 23. Get the absolute value of 40, which is 40, and the absolute value of negative 23, which is 23. Now, let us subtract the absolute values. 40 minus 23, that is 17. Which is bigger, 40 or 23? Yes, you're correct. 40 is bigger. Now, go back to the given. What is the sign of 40? That is positive. Therefore, our final answer is positive 17. Let's now have example number 2. For our second example, let us add 2 plus negative 10. Let's get the absolute value of 2, which is 2, and the absolute value of negative 10, which is 10. Now, let us subtract the absolute values. 10 minus 2, that is 8. Now, go back to the absolute values. Which is bigger, 2 or 10? Definitely, that is 10. And what is the sign of 10? That is negative. Therefore, our final answer is negative 8. Let's now have example number 3. For our third example, let us add negative 27 plus 38. Get the absolute value of negative 27, which is 27, and the absolute value of 38, which is 38. Now, let us subtract the absolute values. 38 minus 27, that is 11. Go back to the absolute values. Which is bigger, 27 or 38? That's correct. 38 is bigger. Therefore, what's the sign of 38? That is positive. Our final answer is positive 11. For your practice, please try this activity. Feel free to pause the video while you answer, and play it again to check your answer. Okay, now let us check your answer. For number 1, our answer is positive 13. For number 2, our answer is positive 45. For number 3, the answer is negative 25. And for number 4, the answer is negative 26. That would be all for today. I hope that you learned how to add integers with different signs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With that, see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.